Hello students, today we will be doing the predicted questions for IGCSE Math 0580 Paper 2 Non-Calculator for October-November 2026. Question number 1, simplify under root 40 plus under root 160. Now this can be written as under root 4 times under root 10 plus under root 16 times under root 10. So root 4 is 2 root 10 plus 4 root 10. This is 6 root 10. So our answer will be 6 root 10. Question number 2, rationalize the denominator. So we'll multiply it with under root 7 minus 2 upon under root 7 minus 2. So this will be equal to under root 7 minus 2 upon. Here we can apply the formula of a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So under root 2, 7 square minus 2 square, which will be equal to under root 7 minus 2 upon. Under root 7 square will be 7, 2 square will be 4. So this will be root 7 minus 2 upon 3, or it can be written as 1 by 3 times root 7 minus 2 upon 3. Question number 3, we have to find HCF of 36 and 54. Now we'll write the prime factorization of 36, which will be equal to 2 power 2 times 3 power 2, and for 54 it will be 2 times 3 power 3. So HCF of 36 and 54 will be, we have to find the highest common factor, 2 times 3 power 2, which is equal to 2 times 9, that is 18 will be our correct answer. Number 4, a part we have to write it in standard form. Now we know that standard form is a times 10 raised to power n, where n is a positive or a negative integer and a lies between 1 and 10. So we need to shift this decimal from this position to this position. We will be moving 1, 2, 3 positions. So standard form will be 7.08 times 10 power. So we have moved 3 positions to the right, so 10 power minus 3. This will be our final answer. But we have to work out and give our answer in standard form. We have to add 3.8 into 10 raised to power 22 plus 3.8 times 10 raised to power 23. Now this can be written as 0.38 times 10 raised to power 23 plus, this is 3.8 times 10 raised to power 23. Further it can be written as 0.38 plus 3.8 times 10 raised to power 23. Now 3.8 plus 0.38 will be 4.18 times 10 power 23, which is in standard form. So this will be our final answer. Question number 5, we have to make t the subject. So this can be, pt can be shifted on the left hand side. So 2 times pt will be equal to m minus mt. Further it can be written as m is equal to 2pt plus mt. So now we can take t common, we get a 2p plus m times t. So t value will be m upon 2p plus m. So this will be our final answer. Number 6, we have to simplify. Now from the numerator we can take x common. So we get 7 minus x. Denominator 49 can be written as 7 power 2 minus x power 2. Further, denominator we can apply the formula of a square minus b square, that is a minus b and a plus b. Now this cancels out, we are left with x upon 7 plus x. This will be our final answer. 7, we have to write the recurring decimal as fraction. So let us suppose let x is equal to 0.2666, so on. 10x will be equal to 2.666. Similarly, 100x will be equal to 26.666. So we'll find 100x minus 10x, which will be equal to 26.666 minus 2.666. So 90x will be equal to 24 x value will be 24 upon 90. So as we have to find the answer in the simplest form, so this can be further written as, this is 12, 45, 4 and 15. So we'll get our fraction as 4 upon 15. Now question number 8, find the value of 27 power minus 2 by 3. So 27 can be written as 3 power 3 whole power minus 2 by 3. This can be written as 3 power 3 times minus 2 by 3. This cancels, we are left with 3 power minus 2, which will be equal to 1 upon 3 square, which will be equal to 1 upon 9. So 1 upon 9 will be our final answer. Now question number 9a part, a curve has equation y is equal to x power n plus q x square plus 9x. dy by dx is given, we have to find the value of n and q. So for this given curve, we will be finding dy by dx. So dy by dx will be equal to n power n times x power n minus 1 plus 2 times qx plus 9. So now we will compare with this given dy by dx. So we get our n value as a 3 and 2q value as minus 12. So q value will be minus 6. So n is 3 and q is minus 6. For 9b part, we have to find the coordinates of the turning point. Now so for turning point, we will put dy by dx is equal to 0. So dy by dx is given to be minus 3x square minus 12x plus 9 equal to 0. So we'll take common 3x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. That implies x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. This can be written as x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 equal to 0. We'll take common as x minus x times x minus 3 minus 1 common. We get x minus 3 equal to 0. We get x minus 1 times x minus 3 equal to 0. So x value will be 1 and 3. Now corresponding to the values of x and we will be finding y. The value of y will be x cube minus 6x square plus 9x. When x is 1, y will be 1 minus 6 plus 9, that is 4. So when x is 3, we get y as 3 power 3 minus 6 times 3 power 2 plus 9 times 3, which will be equal to 27 minus 3 square is 9, 9 times 6 is 54 plus 27. 54 minus 54, that is 0. So we get y value as 0. So our coordinate will be when x is equal to 1, y value is 4. When x is equal to 3, y value is 0 will be our final answer. Question number 10, we have to find the exact value of x. Now this angle is given 30 degree. So we can use tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base 6 upon x. Now on tan 30 degree, you must know what is the value of tan 30 degree, which is equal to 1 upon under root 3 is equal to 6 upon x. That implies x will be equal to 6 root 3. So our x value will be 6 root 3. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment down. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.